In previous lectures, already we discussed about and how to make a frames, how can design a frames, how we can retrieve the one content from the one frame to another frame. In advanced concept of the frame, uh, for special target name cannot be assigned with a name attributes of frame tag. Targets are equal to as a top. Load the link document into full browser window with the URL specified by the href attributes. All frames disappear, leaving the new link page to occupy the entire window and back into turn on. When target equal to blank, open an unnamed new browser window, load document specified URL attribute into new window, and your windows stay upon back turn off, other window remain on. Then another one is having the self. Self I load the document same window their anchors was click as a default setting link when we could not be specified any link, so that time default is visualizing. So in this case, another case is the target equal to parent frame is prior frame set, that current frame set was swapped from if there is a not one of is a column a row frame set containing the frame that contain a link, back turn it out, all window is disappearing. When we can click on a parent, so that time just click on that, automatically disable the rest of the whatever document is open there. So in this example, what we can say this, in this example, we create a horizontal frame. And horizontal frame, just we can entire frame we can divide it three slots. First is a 10%, middle one is 80%, another 10%. Frame name is a top, that is already discussed, and then we can open the URL of the, just we can make a frame name as a top underscore frame dot html. This is the name of frame, so don't confuse about that. Always you can, when we need HTML form in top level, so you have to always specify the top keyword underscore frame dot HTML. Just I have to specify there. I need the top, so just need the frame name equal to top is important. Rest of things, what name of file is not important. Then main frame name is main. So in middle one, the length of size of your horizontal is more, then we can use as a bottom. The bottom side, just we can specify the your HTML frame is having the very means a 10% of your top side, and bottom is a 10, and middle level is having the 80%. So just we have to specify a slash. So I make a folder in HTML. So due to reason I have to give as a slash, then HTML, then where is my file is available. Just I have to specify a slash is important. Backslash is called that. So in that way, just you can save in HTML and run on a browser. So automatically visualizing your result as like this one. This is a just this is a, when we can make a, in a top file. So in that way, another just a green color we have to specify, faint color of green we have to specify in middle level, and bottom is having the green level. So in that way we can design that. Horizontal frame is we can use it same things we can do in a vertical wise. In a vertical nothing but a column wise visualizing this. In this example, is the example create in vertical frames. In this example, a frame set is called. And previous example, what we can say that a frame set a rows, ROWS. And in this case, just I have to use as a calls. Call stand for the column. Row stand for the horizontal. So in this case, just I have to write left side what frame is required. Just I have to give as a keyword as a left. Then SCR nothing but I have to specify a URL where is my file is available, where my file is saved. So in this case, top underscore frame dot html I have to use. Another things, In a center where I want to specified a center file, so you can write that the 50%, the size of middle is having the big size of that. Then right, I want to specify in right side. Just I have to column screen is divided in a left side, center side, and right side. So I have to specify a name of file. So how we can visualize like this one. So top frame is a name of file where I save my file. Another main frame. So main frame is 50%. This is a top frame is a 10%. Middle level is your 50%, and right side is having the 10%. So in this case, just I have to specify a vertical wise. I have to specify a frame. Another example, frame name and target attribute. One of the most popular use of frame is to place navigation bar in one frame, then load the main page into separate frame. So in this example, just we have to specify main page and menu page have to specify, and we have to navigate from one frame to another frame. So this is the example. This is with help of the example you can understand that in when people are designing website, so how when we can click that and right side you can see the your items, then we can see the product. When we can online purchase, you can visualize that left side there is a just I want to purchase my mobile. So in left side they given a features 6 GB, 8 GB. So this is the configuration, what type the company is there. Just select that and click on this, automatically right side you visualizing what product is there, that same configuration. Same things we can do with the frame setting. Just HTML head, the HTML is the title of frames. Then we can use a frame set a column. When just we can think about use the entire page 1000 of your pixel, then I have to specify, you have to specify a pixel, otherwise you can give a percentage for that. Otherwise just you can specify how many pixel is there, then 200, then comma, then asterisk sign is asterisk sign, nothing but entire except the 200 pixel. The rest of the page is the asterisk sign is there. Then frame ser html menu.html, this is the name of file, then make as a name as a menu page. Another is given for that main html, and the name is a main page. So this is a menu, this is a main, and just I had to close with a frame set and above and below level. Here we have to create two columns filled with two frames. First frame is a 200 pixel wide and will contain navigation menu bar, implement menu HTML. So menu HTML and implement with a menu.html file. The second column file remaining the space that will contain a main part of the page. It is implemented by a main.html file. For all three links available a menu bar, we have to mention the target frame as a main page. So whenever click on this link menu bar available, a link will open in a main page, follow the content menu HTML. So in this case, just you can imagine when just left side just we have to specify the menu, and right side nothing but entire main page where we want to say the information. Just click on a left side and automatically visualizing in a right side. So in this case, body bg color nothing but a background of color. You have to specify hexa value of hexa code of your color code. Otherwise just you specified color as red, red, is automatically your browser can understand what color is there. Otherwise you can specify hexa value. In this case I have to use already discussed, the A is nothing but anchor, href nothing but I have used references. I want to visualizing google.com. So I have to using the target main page. Another, when I give as a, this is a Google, this is a link. Another link for that I have to use as a Microsoft is a www.microsoft.com target main page. In target main page, so another link is available. Ahref is a hr nothing but your reference. Another bbc.co.uk is already know what, and what is the uk iron, then com is nothing but when we can domain nothing but we with help of the site we can understand that that file is belong to commercial, it's a related government, related what country code is there. Every country is having the using the alphabet as a last two character. So on the basis that we can understand that that site is belong to in which country. So due to the reason in domain is always specified are two alphabet, that is a character, that is uk, india, france, the two character is used. So on the basis we can recognize that, so in which a country make that sites. So this is the three site I have to specify, it is google, microsoft and bbc. So you see that what is the result. Another just make a file as a main. In a main file, what the bg color had to specified, this is a page contained from any link will be display here, and another paragraph. So now you have to any link see the results. The p is nothing but a paragraph, h nothing but just have to specified your heading is a three level. Then I have to close my heading, then I have to specify the paragraph, then close my body, then html. Following is the content main file, this is a main page content from any link will be displayed here. So now click on link, see the result. This is a main page, you have to see the your result, and previous nothing but I have to specify your horizontal link, means is nothing but your hyperlink. Hyperlink nothing but left side, just I have to click on that, all things I have to display here. What is the reason how we can display? Because I have to make my program for that. This is a menu item from the left side, that is a 200 pixel, and right side is having the rest of the your, just you can imagine as 1000 pixel is there. So just rest of the pixel is asterisk sign is there. So this is the way, this is a menu and this is a main. So in this example, just you can see the result. In this result, what we can say that just load a test.html, just to make a file is a name is a .html file, produce the following result. So this is the main file, I have to make that, and left side 25 is nothing but your menu. Now we can try to click on links panel, see the result and targeted attributes. So click on the Google. When I click the Google, so automatically display the Google page. In this case, what we can use that? Google is nothing but a label of that. Another, as just I want to open a Microsoft site. So this is a Microsoft. This is a link name. This is your entire URL where we want to open your site. So just you can specify http the colons double slash www.microsoft.com. If you're missing the spelling, you make a mistake the file, so that time that file could not be open. So just make a single mistake in your url, so that time it is not visualizing. And main important things there are target nothing but which page you want to visualizing. And always you can see that everywhere is a link with a main page. Target, I mean just I want to open my main page is always display this one. So a target, this is a keyword, this is a reserved word is used for that where want to visualizing your main page. So just click on this, automatically load your Google page in your right side. So just we can take for that. Another, you want to see the news, or it is not a limitation in a left side, you can make a mini hyper pages. Just you want to open that. If you want to open your PDF file, just you want to open your word file of your C drive, D drive, just you have to specify your URL where your file is saved, in which location you want to save this file. Just instead of AHARM, just you have to give the your path. On the basis of your path, click on this, automatically visualizing your PDF file, Word file, Excel file, all things can be visualizing on a main page. So this is the way, and this is the main page, this is the color whatever the visualizing this one. And when I click the Google, is automatically visualizing Google. This is the main, just I click on, automatically open your Google page. Just I click on a Microsoft, you have just, this is the label BBC News. You can use a MICR, just you can use a GOO. Just click on this label, click on that, it's automatically site is open. But is the important things, if you want to just open your site, so that time it need your internet. Without internet is not possible. When I have first file is there, menu and main file, so that file is saved with the extension as a test.html. When I open this file, automatically open your file. When two main option is there, left side and right side. Left side a 200 pixel, right side rest of the your 800 pixel is there, or more than that 80900. Rest of the whatever the pixel is there, automatically visualizing in a right side. So this is a we can do the programming. This is very advanced, just we can do the practice. In this case, just I need the just open my PDF, Word file, Excel file is there. Many times just search on Google. If you want to open your PDF file, and just I want to open a notes of your HTML. So that time what need there, just that you download this file and just click on this, automatically is open. But when we design website, is all PDF file, Word file, Excel file are stored in his server, or just you give the path on a server where your entire page is available. Click on this, automatically open there. When design good site people are designed, so that time everybody take care that how visualizing the left side frame, right side and middle level there. So many time the people given us width of your frame is very less. Otherwise if you want to give the visualizing your frame, so you should be increase your width. Otherwise it cannot be, means your thickness, means we could not be differentiate. This is one frame, another frame we could not be differentiate. But with help of this example, you can understand that how you can open a one frame to another. Is a another language called that one, how we can navigation of your one frame, one page to another page. Many times you can see that click on Google, so click on this, automatically new page is open. But in this case I want to open entire thing, is in the right side main frame, so I have to make this one Microsoft. The same things I have to do with the BBC and Microsoft. So this is the way we can do the practice. But when we can make a three file is important for that. One is a menu, the another main, and the main important thing is your main page is entire, your main frame is open for that frame one, and frame 2, that is the taste.html. Just we can do the practice. It is easy way you can understand your frame concept.